thousands of dollars of prize money on the line, the fishing pros travel with a lot of gear. But you can keep things a little more simple. It's a good idea to keep your fishing supplies in one place so that you can just grab and go. Let's take a look at some basic items you'll need for a successful and safe fishing trip. A tackle box comes in handy for storing your hooks, bobbers, and sinkers. You'll also want to throw in some artificial lures. While live bait is always a good choice, it's a good idea to have artificial lures as a backup. Fishing tackle comes in all different sizes and styles, depending upon what you're fishing for. Your tackle dealer can help you choose what you'll need for your fishing trip.
I want to take the kids fishing and I just don't have a clue what I need. You got some suggestions?
I sure do. I'll be glad to help you. Can you excuse me just a minute, though?
Sure.
And you're going to need these.
Thanks. Some other items to keep in your tackle box are a pair of pliers for removing hooks from the fish's mouth or for mashing the barbs down on hooks, a pair of nail clippers or a small knife to cut line with. Another item to have on hand is a small first aid kit. It's also a good idea to have a copy of Texas Parks and Wildlife's free outdoor annual, especially if you plan on keeping your catch. The outdoor annual lists fishing limits and regulations.
This looks like it's 16.5 inches. In the state of Texas, you can take it home.
And if you plan to keep your catch, it's a good idea to have something to measure your fish with and an ice chest to store your catch in. Other items to always have on hand are bug repellent, sun protection, hand sanitizer, extra water, and a cell phone in case of emergency. If fishing from a boat, you'll need to have a life jacket for every person on board. And remember, if you're over 17, you need a fishing license to fish in Texas, unless you're fishing at a state park. You can buy a fishing license at most stores where sporting goods are sold.
Here's your fishing license.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Or
you.
online at the Texas Parks and Wildlife website. And last but not least, don't forget your camera.
It's probably been 7 or 8 years since I've been fishing, you know, and so far it's been pretty easy to pick back up. And at least you can talk when you're doing this. Just everybody, you know, walks by, they wave to you, they say hello. And maybe everyone's friendly because they all smell like fish at that point, so, you know, you need to see if anybody still likes them.